The workforce. How AI is changing work, jobs, and human value. Who are you without your job? For 200 years, work answered a simple question. Who are you? I am a lawyer. I am an engineer. I am a translator. I am an analyst. Work gave identity. But what happens when the tasks inside that identity disappear? Not the job title. The tasks. The real automation story. AI is not replacing people. It is replacing steps. Drafting. Summarizing. Searching. Formatting. Checking. Translating. Coding small pieces. Creating first versions. The job does not vanish. The junior part of the job does. And that is the real danger. Because junior work is how humans become seniors. The new worker. A new type of employee is emerging. Not fully human, not fully machine. A hybrid. One person, with multiple tools, producing what once required a small team. The company sees efficiency. The worker feels pressure. Because now you are compared, not to other humans, but to your own augmented version. The panic signal. Recently, when new AI tools were demonstrated, financial markets reacted sharply. Investors suddenly imagined a world where many software tools are bypassed, many platforms become unnecessary, and many digital workflows collapse into one intelligent interface. The market did not move because of today's profits. It moved because of tomorrow's worker. When a company demonstrates a new generation of large AI models, the story is not about a chatbot. The story is about workflow replacement. These systems are no longer only answering questions. They are reading documents, summarizing contracts, writing internal reports, connecting tools, executing multi-step tasks. For investors, this sounds like one simple sentence. Why do we still need so many separate business software tools? That question triggered the recent sell-off in parts of the software sector. The market was not reacting to a single product. It was reacting to the idea that one intelligent layer could sit on top of many existing tools and quietly replace parts of their value. This is why software and technology stocks move together. Not because of earnings, because of imagination. The imagination of a different future worker. The fear was not about machines. It was about how fast human productivity is being redefined. What still resists automation? AI is excellent at patterns. It is terrible at trust, physical care, complex coordination, safety responsibility, and human conflict. A nurse is not replaced by diagnostics. A team leader is not replaced by analytics. A technician is not replaced by documentation. But their tools change, and their expectations change with them. The great skill shift. The most valuable skill is no longer execution. It is orchestration, knowing which tool to use, when to trust it, when to override it, and when to slow it down. The future worker is not faster. They are more selective. The emotional cost. There is a hidden psychological impact. When productivity rises silently, effort becomes invisible. People feel replaceable, not because they are weak, but because machines do not get tired. Burnout in the AI era does not come from workload. It comes from comparison. Conclusion. Work is not disappearing, but identity through work is breaking. The question is no longer, what do you do? It is, what can you supervise? In the next episode, we stop looking at skills and start looking at the economy. We will explore the wealth gap.